You're welcome once again to iTech, and thank you for choosing this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Eversend app. Okay, so this is an app that help you to send and receive money across Africa, countries like Kenya, Nigeria, Uganda, and many other countries that you can use this one. And the good thing is that this app also have a virtual card that you can also create for free to also make your all online transaction. You can use to sign up for different platforms like Netflix, Facebook ads, and Google ads, and so on. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you through how you'll be able to use this app. So if you have not yet downloaded this app, you can get the app in the description. I'll pin the link of the app there so that you can use the link to also download it. So after downloading it, you just check the description. I also have a video on how to create Eversend account. Okay, so after you create account, this is what you are going to see. It will depend on the country that you are. I am in Ghana, and this is Ghana city. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the balance here, then we have the card. So this is where you are going to create your card. You can also create a virtual card by just clicking on create a card here, and these are the options that you can choose from. Different colors, either blue, black, and this color is also here. So you just choose any of these colors and you click on continue. Now if you click on continue, it says create new card. So we are just going to create a card for free, but first of all, you have to fund your wallet before you can create your virtual card. Okay, so let's move on to the send part of this app. You can send money to a friend or family or to business partners using the Eversend. Okay, so if you choose the Eversend, you see that all those people with this app, you can send money from your account to them directly, and then you can also send to Momo. Okay, mobile wallet. You can also use your mobile wallet to also send it to them. And you see here we have the bank. You can also send through bank account, and then you can also use this to also buy airtime. Okay, you can buy airtime through this app. Then the next thing that you also talk about is funding. How are you going to fund your wallet? So if you click here, this is what you see. We have fund. So you click on fund. You can add money to your Eversense account through credit or debit card from Visa or MasterCard. So you can use any of these cards to fund your wallet, and then you can also use what mobile money. Okay, so you can also use Flatterway links. Okay, so by using mobile money, just click here and then you choose this is my mobile number, so I will select this, and then the amount that you want to top up, let's say 10 cedis, and then you hit on continue, and then so as you can see here, just hit on continue to fund your wallet. Okay, and then we have exchange, whereby you have Ghana city, and then you have to swap it to maybe USD, or so as you can see here, you can swap your Ghana city to USDT. Okay, so from Ghana city to USDT, or to any of the currencies that you want to swap. Okay, so one Ghana cedi equals to 11 point, that is $1 is equal to 11.81 pesos. Okay, so you can even swap your Ghana cedi to dollar and keep it for future use. Okay, and one other thing here is that if you check here, you will see earn. Now this is one of the ways that you can make money from this app. People you sign up, as you can see, have not referred anyone to this platform, so money earned is zero here. But let's look at here. You invited a friend, they found wallet, both get 7 Ghana cedi. So if you invite your friend to this platform and he or she funded his or her wallet, both of you are going to get free 7 Ghana cedi. Okay, so this is how the app is like. So guys, if you have not downloaded this app, just check the description, download this app and start using this app, and it can help you to make your business faster across Africa. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.